Hello. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I am going to show you a lot of different jobs that you can do online. There are a lot of jobs, with or without experience. From taking surveys, virtual assistant, dropshipping, affiliate and more. I am certified internet affiliate marketer, and I will teach you how to be one. Subscribe. Like, comment and share this video. Is Reddit free? First, Reddit is completely free to use. You can even view most content without creating an account and be known as a lurker. If you want to get the most out of the platform and make money, then take a minute to create a free Reddit account. You can stay anonymous, but now you've got full access to the Reddit community. How to make money on Reddit. Reddit is packed with subreddits covering nearly every topic you can think of. This includes many aimed at allowing users to earn extra money online. As a registered Reddit user, you can engage with as many subreddits as you like. You may focus on a specific niche or cast your net wide to earn as much as you can. For example, if you are a writer, then finding work on dedicated writing subreddits is likely to yield better results for you. 13 awesome subreddits for making money. There are thousands of subreddits of varying degrees of quality that you could join. However, you need to find established subreddits that could lead to earning extra money now. To save you some time, here are 13 of the best subreddits for making money. Beer Money. Beer Money currently has 972,000 active users. These users are there for the same reason you are, to find ways to earn extra money. As suggested by the name of the subreddit, the opportunities found here are meant to be ways of earning supplemental income. The kind of jobs you will find here include answering surveys, writing product reviews, completing short tasks, and even playing games. For hire. Head over to the For Hire subreddit for all kinds of money-making opportunities. There are two ways to find paid work on this subreddit. First, you can market yourself and post that you are looking for work. Start by posting a summary of your skills, location, and experience. Interested parties can contact you via private message to discuss a job offer. Next, other forum members can post that they are looking for someone to do a particular job. Skilled professionals that are always in demand here include writers, graphic designers, software developers, marketers. Work Online. The Work Online subreddit is home to 406,000 users, all seeking to make an income online. Forum members can discuss all aspects of remote working, including sites that pay, job listings, and more. Slave labor. If you need cash fast or want to earn a side income, then slave labor is a great place to look. As the name suggests, this isn't a subreddit that will make you rich. What you will find here are lots of low-paid jobs that can be done quickly or easily. No matter what skill set you have, there will be earning opportunities here. Sign-ups for pay. At Sign-ups for pay, you can earn extra money in exchange for spending your time signing up for different websites or offers. No experience necessary. More than 65,000 users of this subreddit share an offer that requires a sign-up. Startups. Startups are a subreddit used by over 900,000 people, with the goal of helping build successful online businesses. Members can chat about startup problems, solutions, and ways to help new entrepreneurs. Once you've got your business up and running, then keep coming back for support, advice, and to share your experience. By engaging with this subreddit and others, you can also benefit your own business by promoting it on Reddit. Wall Street Bets. Meme stocks are stocks that are popular among retail investors thanks to sharing posts on social media platforms like Reddit. Earning income as an investor is much easier these days than it once was thanks to platforms like Reddit. It's possible to get rich from the stock market, but it's just as easy to lose money. QME. Users get paid for completing web searches, answering surveys, and shopping. You can receive discount coupons and cash rewards just for doing things you would be anyway, i.e., surfing the web or shopping. Hire a writer. Freelance writing is a popular choice of career many freelancers go for. Hire a writer is an excellent subreddit for writers of all skills levels to find clients. Clients post adverts looking for writers ranging from beginners to advanced. This is an active community with over 59,000 members. If you are a freelance writer or want to be, then this is a fantastic place to get started. Jobs for Bitcoins. At Jobs for Bitcoins you can find all kinds of work that pays with Bitcoin or other types of crypto. All kinds of work can be found on this subreddit such as writers, developers, designers. Reddit Public Access Network. RPAN lets users stream live content about any topic they want. Artists, musicians, gamers, and more are all popular types of content people watch. Showcasing your talents on RPAN doesn't guarantee any earnings. However, if users want to, they can make donations. Remote jobs. Remote working is no longer a niche idea. It's becoming many professionals' preferred way to work, with 74% expecting remote working to be the normal way of working in the future. Joining remote jobs can help you land those remote opportunities now. Build your own subreddit. If you have your own business, then you could build a subreddit for that business. You may have a website, app, service, or physical product that you wish to drive traffic to. By creating your own community, you can drive members to your site to sign up or make purchases. You can't put affiliate links on Reddit. However, you can put links to your website, and from there, users can complete a purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.